Hello traders, in this video we are going to be comparing the average true range with the relative strength index. All right, we want to find out which indicator gives better trading results. Okay, so let us start by adding the average true range, adding both indicators actually to the chart. Okay, here we go. So the average true range and the relative strength index are both technical indicators, right? But they measure very different aspects of market behavior. Okay, so the average true range, commonly called the ATR, measures market volatility. All right, it calculates the average range between high and low prices over a selected number of periods, of course, which you can modify. Higher ATR values typically indicate increased market volatility, while lower values suggest quieter market conditions. All right. The relative strength index, or the RSI, on the other hand, measures momentum and the speed of price movement. As you can see, it oscillates between 0 and 100, right? And it helps identify potential overbought and oversold conditions. Now, because of these differences, the ATR does not indicate market direction. Instead, it focuses solely on how much price is moving. All right. You will notice that when the ATR value increases, it shows strength in the trend, right? It doesn't matter whether it's a bearish trend or a bullish trend, but basically when the ATR line is climbing up, it shows a strength in the trend, right? Whether it's a bearish trend or a bullish trend. All right. While the RSI focuses on how strong recent price movement has been, helping traders analyze momentum. Okay, both indicators provide useful information, but they analyze different aspects of market behavior. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.